Hi, today I am going to show you how to reset the TSA lock. The lock comes with preset 0000 and you can have set your combination the way you like it. There is also keyhole on the bottom which says TSA 007. For that key you have to buy from Amazon, but let me show you how to reset the lock. So first you have to move this and press here, and then you can set it your combination, and then you can just lock it. The combination setup for 9999 and it's locked, and you can open it by setting the combination again 9999. So basically the lock comes with the preset 0000, and you can open it by moving this trigger and lock it and hold it and set up your combination whatever the way you like, and just set it up like this and then close it, and then you can reopen it. Okay.